guys, it's about time I spent money, guys. Time to change my tire. I just came to my local shop here. I'm loaded heading to Kentucky, but I just came to my local shop. This is where I usually change tires. So I'm about to change my steer tire, guys. So he told me bay 1. I don't know which one is bay 1. But I'm gonna just go to, I believe, the one on this side. Which one is the one? 1-2. Which one? It's called Buckeye tires, guys. I'm about to get a Firestone for $600 out the door. Is this bay 1? Steer tire. He called me and said go on bay 1. Which one is bay 1? Okay.
What are we doing?
Steer tire. One. One. Yeah, I'm taking this one. I'm putting on the trailer.
Just doing one steer? Okay, I'll change it and then you'll turn around and put the trailer, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
What's the same kind of Firestone?
Same kind, yep. You guys see how bad it is? This is the problem right here. So I want to use this. I don't know how deep is that cap. I want to put on my trailer.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a Firestone.
You want a new Firestone here?
Yeah.
Alright, have a seat in there and when I'm done with this, I'll
Okay.
let you know.
Alright. I should feel like I should walk and get some food. It's on if anybody want this place, it's on I-70, I would say I-70 east or west on Mount Street. It's a really nice place. They have cheaper tires. So somebody else came in. Man, guys, it's too hot. It's like 70 degrees. I'm texting, guys. I'm texting and recording. Let me get inside. Let me get some cold air. They told me the price was 600. That was quick. Let me make sure it's a low pro. Yep, low pro. Oh, all right. So he wants me to flip around so he can put on the other one on my trailer. It's gonna be hard for me to turn around. It's tight. This place is really tight. So let's see how I will do it. Check outside. Guys, what a nice tire, guys. What a nice steer tire. So I have to go this way. Go this way a little bit. Turn around. Guys, I have to go on the road and then back up. Man, it's too much. I have to go back on the road. Then I have to back up on here. Shit. It's a tight place, guys. Very tight. So I have to watch for the traffic. There and then back up here. So I don't see. Okay. So let's see this. I gotta do it fast though. Okay. I didn't see that.
Doing the one, you moving the one side to the trailer?
Yeah. Keep going.
Try to do a roll on me. That's it.
Okay.
It's high.
Man, I almost hit the fire hydrant. So I have to do a long one? Shit. may waxaan rabay inaan gaalgalaal usoo galu dhaadana sheekada fahmi you have to. It's very hard. I'm just gonna take the steel tire. Shit. Yeah. Saan u buxuu dhahay gaalgalaal usoo gala dan. May. Okay, saa xagga ahay. gaari ma soo socdo
waxaa samaysaa mataqaanaa
ah
galaal toos oogu bax afkaaga halkan soo galma
oh okay
saas samee meesha
okay sana dawada saasaa u geliya
iska ilaala kaa dhamaada iska ilaala
okay me forever. Forever, guys. Shit. I didn't even know the camera was rolling. That's how nervous I was. Really nervous. The brokers are calling me, you know. I'm struggling. The struggle is real, guys. Fuck this, man. I'm gonna show him the tire. Man, it was hard to turn around. This one, the one inside.
Okay.
You see this tire?
Okay.
See this one has a hole in here. Let me guys show you the other one. Let me guys show you the new tire I put it in. Okay, this is the new one, Firestone. Now I'm more confident. They also did the balance, the tire. Man, I almost hit that pole there. Is it the fire pole or something? Yep, that's the tires being changed, guys. Buckeye, my favorite place to change tire in Central Ohio. Guys, it's done. $600, guys. $630. But it's time for me to go. Time for me to roll, guys. I spent $630. If it was on the road, it was gonna be easily $1,000. Easily. So just to be on the safe side, I'ma check if you talk. I'ma check if there's something missing on the tire. Anything is missing or something looking funny. Nothing is looking funny. The tire is good. I wish I had a cash so I could give him a tip. Man, I feel way safe, guys, way safe. Brand new tire. I feel safe, guys. So it's time for me to go. Let me end the video. Adios.